interested in how to better Louisville and make it a better place to live. There's definitely not a definition about what quality of life and enhancement really means. So we took a stab at it. The city of Louisville is trying to brand itself as the city of parks. With over 120 different parks in the greater Louisville area, and the most recent edition of the 100-mile loop around Louisville, we started looking at the data. And we found a couple interesting points. When do you all think the first park in Louisville was established? Throw out a year. 1794, that's a little bit too early. It's 1880. So Louisville has a rich history along with the Olmsted name of all the different parks. But as you start looking at the data that the city has released, you'll notice that all of the park amenities have the exact same latitude and longitude. Meaning that in a large park such as Cherokee, you notice that the water fountain, the ball fields, the running trails, the golf course, everything is in the exact same location. So what we decided to do was take this available data, start mapping out with the city's available PDF maps, and see if we can start doing some basic features. And our goal is to not only showcase some of the use of what we did, but also make it reusable. And we did that by creating an API that you can make different calls so that the city can just update one source and it can be consumed by multiple different applications and different entities throughout the state, throughout the Louisville area. So what we first did is we just did some simple examples, and we just did the parks near me. So what this does, and this is using our current geo-latitude and longitude, and it just shows us where the current parks are. So as you go to different locations, of course that'll update. As you go to the next feature, which is the ability to search by name, in case you know that, hey, out of the 120 different parks, what could happen? They do list all the names, but you can click here and you can start typing in a couple of examples, such as Seneca. The next feature that we wanted to make sure that we built in is the idea around amenities. The city data has some missing gaps, such as Seneca does not even list that there are bathrooms, water fountains, or other items there, so we went ahead and put that information in. So we went ahead and just mocked it up and say, for instance, if you're looking for the bathroom, since it's not on the city PDF, you click on it and you know where it is. If you want to, there's the bathroom, which is right next to the playground. And you can also go ahead and click on the soccer or golf, and it starts adding the different locations. We believe this gives you an ability to navigate the park, see exactly where it is. So that is that part of it. Now the goal is, if we try to start extending it, we can do some cool things such as some augmented reality that we went ahead and tried to consume the data with, where you can consume the data and it'll tell you the different locations, if I can get it to work. So there's some different things that'll pop up. But the goal is just to go ahead, I don't have it in my hand, but the goal is just to consume the data in different ways that helps everybody out. So we are Olmsted devs, and we appreciate the time and enjoy everybody's feedback.